Hey guys, this is a review for Kayla Bell. She's a good person. I just got her package today. It's February the 23rd of 2016. This is my first reptile package, because normally I buy spiders. So I just got it open. Now, let's see what's inside.
Telephone companies have complicated contracts and hidden fees. We keep it simple and affordable. Internet for $29.99.
Let's look at my mail.
And voice for $19.99 a month. All with
Woo.
no contracts.
This is my male Florida king snake, white-sided.
Spectrum Internet is the fastest you can get at 20 times the speed of DSL.
And then this is my female Florida king. The female, it has it's a normal. It's an Enery, lavender, and white-sided. The male is a white-sided, Enery, and lavender. Let's take them out of the package and see how they're doing. Man, what a gorgeous little snake. He's a little cold. Actually, he's pretty warm. Oh, a little cold. So this is my male. I'm gonna stick them in the tanks and put the heater on them as they can go into their new environment. And there's the female. No, they're a little cold, but I think they'll do as soon as I stick them in the tank. So I give Kayla Bell a 10 out of 10. She's a really awesome person. I definitely recommend her for further purchases. Have a good day, you guys.